Let's make a dress. You have 3.5 meters like this, and fold. First, draw a shoulder line here. From here up to there. Shoulder to chest line, 7 inches. Here, and draw a line. Okay, from here to here. Up. Okay, and here, half of a cross peg measurement, 9 inches for me. And here mark 5 inches from here to here. And draw a line. From here to here, measure your armhole and mark, put a marking. Mine is 6 inches. And here, from here, mark 6 inches to here. Join here, from here to here, and here. And here mark quarter of your bust measurement from here, from this line to this line. Mine is 9. And mark here. And from here to here, measure your full length. Mine is 43. And measure quarter of your hip measurement by 2. Mine is 43, so quarter of 43 is 10.7. So I'm going to measure 10.7 once and twice. It gets here, and then add 6 inches. Connect this part to the bust measurement. This part to the bust measurement here. Okay, like that, and then cut here. Add ½ inch seam allowance and cut here. Like that. Okay, like that. Cut the facing similar to this part. Two pieces of facings. Cut out the pocket, 8 by 9 inches. Shape your pocket like that and cut. The back piece, but this time on fold, same as the front one. Cut it on fold like that. Put the back piece aside. Take this one, take the front piece, open and sew here up to this point, from the top up to this point. Okay, it's sewn here, and when you get here, open and fold. other side, fold again. Okay, and go ahead and sew this part and the other side. So here and here. Okay, like that. Okay, put this aside and cut out the strips. I cut 2 and they are 18 inches by 18 inches by 3. Okay, so go ahead and fold like that and sew from here to here on both of them like that. Okay, take the front piece, take the front piece open like that and take your strips and pin. Take your facing, right side facing, and pin. Okay, and sew here. Okay, like that, and then flip here and iron here. Iron. Okay, and take your back pattern and take the front piece, right side facing, right side facing, right side facing, and pin here. Okay, and sew. Like that. Now open seam, iron, and flip. Okay, place your dress like this and measure 17 inches from here. Pocket position, we're going to place pocket, and the other side mark 17 inches. Okay, and place your pocket right side facing. Take one of these And the other side, take your pocket and press here. Like that. Okay, and mark 1 centimeter from here to here and sew. Okay, like that. Turn your dress and sew the side seam like this from here, 1 inch, 1 inch from here like this. When you get to the pocket, you turn here and sew here like that, and all the way down, and the other side. Let's work on the hemming. Fold like this and sew right round. Like that. Here's the back. I also didn't like how it's looking like in the front, so I'm going to fold here and sew here and make a strip and insert like that, and take your strip